this is the Knysna Quays. Hi Graham, what you doing now again?
I'm tired, I need to have a rest.
And out of the blue, you can't. Welcome back to Knysna, the second video on Knysna. There's so much to see that it falls into another video. We are Cindy and Graham and we welcome you to watch a video of us travelling full time through South Africa.
Stop.
We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way.
Got to climb up there.
Places that we would never have gone to before.
And the heads are over there in the background, over there. Yeah, there, just pointed there. It's a bit far for us to catch with this little cell phone, but that is it over there. And yeah, this is an old railway line that goes all the way. Sedgefield. So here comes Cindy, walking on the tracks. We don't do this if it's a real track. But yeah, just had a look here and I can see up here is the water station. So this is where you would enter to go on the train. You'd climb the stairs here and go over the railway line, right over to the other side there. Go down where the coach is, you can walk past that. And you can go to the ticket office over there and you can get your booking done. How about that? What a beautiful little way. Gorgeous.
So this is the quays. We walked around the Knysna Quays, along the bridges, walked around, saw the yachts and boats. Lovely place, you can go and sit and eat there, have coffee. But we wanted to go to the top of Knysna Mountain. That was the next stop. Oh, okay, maybe. But wouldn't be so. Maybe it's a downhill here. The Knysna elephant. What do you want to say, Graham?
I love this catamaran here. This is called airtime.
Yeah.
And if you look at it over there, can you see the cabins on the side?
Yeah? Is there cabins?
Those are cabins down the bottom,
Yeah.
both sides.
Yeah.
And if you look on the back, it says airtime
Yeah.
and Newport Rose Island.
Oh, where's that?
Rose Island.
Where's that? The boat that Graham's talking about is actually doing a photo shoot today and they going travelling across the seas to another country. Caribbean. So that's 750 a person and then it takes you for an hour out to the near the heads, eh?
The captain just waved.
Yeah, the captain Graham was talking to earlier. Over there is Knysna Island. You go around that to get to the heads. But it juts out and the sea, the tide comes in and out around it. And you can have your own boat on your own property. Yeah, so they've made a bridge now, which is there, that comes to the quays now. And you can come and have something to drink, walk around here. Lots of overseas people. Knysna and all the sailing boats. Beautiful little thing, and then there's the bridge. It swings for the boats. So Graham might be a bit dark. Hi Graham.
Hello.
And then this is the restaurant with the most gorgeous umbrellas. Wow, beautiful.
There's two on Decent Island as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi Graham, what you doing now again?
I'm tired, I need to have a rest.
And out of the blue, you can't. What does it
Please let
say?
me rest.
What does it say? For goodness sake, you take it to the limits, you. Graham, get up. Get up, Graham.
It says I can't.
This is for tired husbands.
I'm tired.
Okay, this is out of the blue shop. It's beautiful. The canal. I think this bridge used to go up. I don't think it does. Look, it's got mechanism to go up. Overlooking the lagoon, a huge lagoon of Knysna, and this is all the boats of the residents, and you can go for rides, pay for them. The fishermen, they've got fish.
Just dropped it.
Yeah.
This anchor was salvaged from the Knysna estuary during the construction of the Knysna Quays
Harbour in 1998. It is thought to have been abandoned on a sandbank by one of the square-rigged cargo ships operating during the early 1800s. Nice, eh? A bit of history. So off we went to the top of the heads. You go on the road through the homes right at the top behind the bottom of the heads.
Somebody's little private beach down there. So here we are on the sheer drop. Tells you a sheer drop, no climbing on barriers. As we look over the balconies, you can see it's a sheer drop down. Look at how it looks. Amazing. Totally amazing. Both sides, there's so much interest here. Look at the mountain, wow! That's where I took the film just now, from that side there. Amazing.
It's the houses on the cliff.
You say you're going to see something.
The houses on the cliff. And that's the heads. We have this breathtaking view of the whole estuary from the head side. Further on in the video we go from the other side, Brenton-on-Sea. This is the head's mouth from the top. Where you go down a walkway right around the other side of the heads, on the same side as we were on. And Graham, isn't this just stunning, my babe?
I've lost words.
Yeah,
I'm amazed.
I mean.
Wow.
Graham, thank you for taking me for coffee and cake at the Heads restaurant there. It's called Pizza and something. We've actually put it on video. But gee, I am so loving our new lifestyle.
This is the heads, the currents coming in. Too beautiful.
So we are on the sheer drop. It tells you a sheer drop, no climbing areas.
Another way, I've never been to this side of where the heads go in. Beautiful. So this is a high balcony off this area.
How's a sheer cliff right here? This is a sheer cliff. That's scary.
How's that fisherman?
This is in Knysna. Overlooking.
No wonder there's millions spent on houses here.
No wonder people are very wealthy here.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Whoa!
Whole estuary. This is the one side of the estuary, and that's the main road bridge. So all these houses up on the ridge here, overlooking, there's the bridge, that's part of the estuary.
So it looks a bit hard.
I don't know, it's not a bridge, it's someone's garden, man.
And so here is the bridge going over the estuary here, just outside Knysna. And there it goes over the estuary over there. Beautiful bridge. You know us, we love our bridges. And so there it is. Beautiful.
The whole estuary. This is the one side of the estuary, and that's the main road bridge.
So we've decided this is the $1 billion view. Definitely.
And here we are sitting at Margaret's View, having a look at the whole estuary here. Knysna on your right and all. Unbelievable how big it is. Just goes on and on to the sea.
See the heads around the corner.
Yes,
there.
the heads around this.
Here we're on top of the mountain that goes over to Brenton-on-Sea on the other side of Knysna. The view before this was what Graham took. Stunning. Now this is Buffelsbaai that you can see over there. So here we are looking over from Knysna, Brenton-on-Sea to Buffelsbaai. The whole bay.
So we're going to have something nice to eat here at this little place. Quaint and cute. Not all those who wander are lost. The old, very strong does not put the few roots on. hearts reached by the frost. From the ashes a fire shall be woken, a light from the shadows shall spring. Renewed shall be blade that was broken, the crownless again shall be king. Tolkien. Shalene used to love Tolkien. And then after that we've got the license to do, which is over also 2 months. I saw it's on the 31st of July.
Yeah.
So we've actually got twice to save for it. 2 months.
Yeah.
So this is how pensioners do it when they're on travels. Thank you. Look at that.
Look
Thank
at that,
you.
even cut up nicely.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
so this is our spoil today. Back in Knysna. Because where are we going tomorrow? We're leaving
We're leaving and we're going to go across down the coast.
to Buffelsbaai. Yeah.
Buffelsbaai, yeah.
Beautiful quaint shops. Huh? Oh, look at this. I'm just filming you. Look at these chairs and tables, bro.
Wow, this is nice.
It's like all wood. Gorgeous. If we knew that, because we just had coffee somewhere else, I would have come here, for coffee. This is so quaint and beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah?
I've never seen this road so busy.
Yeah, no, look at the cars. You can't see they're snaking down there.
Imagine this is your
Yeah,
home
so you can
entrance.
see they're stopping there again, so they probably haven't got the
This is
truck
your
out.
home entrance and you can't get home because you have to wait.
Yeah. The police are still here. The whole day. I'm not kidding. And that car's still got its
Hello everybody,
Hi.
this is Cindy and Graham. Cindy's got something to say. I'm going to keep quiet for a while. I've got to get my mind sorted out. Cindy, what you got on your mind?
we actually have been traveling away from, we're still in the garden route,
Oh yeah.
but we somewhere else now, and we still got videos to catch up, so you're not catching right up with us now. So yeah, so we're just saying goodbye and subscribe, like, share, and we thank you for everybody that has subscribed. We really appreciate everybody, we really do, and we're enjoying this so much. We're getting a website working, we're starting, so that's
Fine.
so that's starting, and then we can be a partner with, it's apparently a partner with YouTube.
Yeah.
500, and now we're on 540 already, so we're growing. Love it.
Love you guys. Look what you've done. You've given us 540 already.
Yes.
40 higher than we had when we got the 500 mark. Thank you very much. So here's where we're going to say goodbye and have a wonderful day, and we'll watch you on the flip side.
Yeah. Bye.
From Cindy and Graham. Bye.
Bye. Good day, everybody.
Hello everyone. We're back again. One day when we're big, we'll get this right, Cindy. We're just going to do one. Cindy and Graham.
Hi, everybody. No, but we're saying goodbye.